Okay guys, you're going to be doing the standing cable incline chest fly. You're going to want to find a machine that looks like this. It's a cable machine. You're going to want to get this low, about right there. Okay, first thing you do, make sure you do a weight you can do properly and with good form. Grab it. You're going to have handles like this. You're going to step out a little bit, that way you have tension. Now we're trying to hit the upper chest here. So mind muscle connection, guys. Remember, you want to try thinking about that upper chest. Biggest thing here, keep this elbow joint tight. You don't want this to move like at all. Keep this tight. Slightly bent. You don't want it straight. Slightly bent. You're going to go up. Right above your chest. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Up. 1, 2, 3. Now, biggest thing, guys, you don't want this to move. You don't want this to do that. You want this tight, just like that. Remember, we're squeezing this upper chest. 1, 2, 3. That's a standing incline chest fly.